Okay, so I've got my bee suit on now, and we're going to try to do this as quickly as possible. You can see here's the package. Inside is a can of sugar, and the queen is in there. So first we're going to pry off the top board, and then maneuver to pull out the can of sugar. Can of sugar water just sits on the top. That's why I've got an extra box on there. Now we'll get the queen out. She's strapped and she's in a little box. Next, we want to identify to make sure that the queen is alive. And she is. She's sitting right there. And then we're going to uncork the side that has sugar on it, because eventually they'll eat through the sugar and free her. The reason why we don't want to free her immediately is that there's a risk that they might kill her. Right? We're just going to let that down on the side. And next comes the fun, because we're going to dump all these bees out into the hive, and we're going to have thousands of them flying around us. We're not going to get them all. We just want to get most of them. And then we'll put the box in front of the hive, and they'll miraculously know where to go. Okay, we cover them up, and now we're on to the next hive. Remove the top board, take out the sugar can, lay that on top of the frames, remove the queen. Make sure that she's alive. Uncork the sugar side. And dump them into their new home. And you can see the bees are inside. The queen, they're already covering her, and eventually they'll make their way down into the frames. Third and last one. Sugar can. I don't like to hit the box, but makes it a little easier for them to get out. Okay, we're all set. They're very docile at this point because they have been fed sugar water for the last couple of days on the trip. And that can is mostly still full. There are a few on that board. But I don't want to mush, so I'm just going to brush them off. Okay, we're all set. So here are our 3 hives. Each of the stragglers in the boxes will make their way into their new home, and we'll check in a few days, take that top box off, and they should be good to go. Thanks for watching.